Jordyn wanted to make an impact when she heard that those in assisted living and nursing homes do not get the interaction they need. When the COVID-19 crisis hit, it became even more apparent that residents were at an even higher risk of depression and becoming withdrawn. She created letter-writing kits for residents of assisted living facilities and nursing homes to keep them connected to family and friends. Jordyn plans to continue creating and donating the kits in the future.
I hope it inspires them to continue writing, because there's so many electronic ways to communicate that it kind of lacks personality, and especially with like the drawings on the outside of all the stationery and envelopes, it kind of shows more personality in each letter. It definitely helped me show the skills I've learned throughout Girl Scouts, like talking to people I've never spoken to before and all these new people. It's helped me, especially in school and clubs, so I was able to use those organization skills and responsibility and help others. And with community service, I've been able to have a lot of involvement in that too. My name is Jordyn Chiodo. I've been in Girl Scouts for 13 years and I'm a Gold Award Girl Scout.